European Laboratory Glassware Washer LW320 for automated cleaning and drying of laboratory glasswares, replacing tedious manual operations while saving time and effort. European Lab Washer LW320 ergonomic operating height design, integrated corrosion-resistant tempered glass panel with wide observation window for real-time monitoring, 7-inch full-color touchscreen, 30 standard programs, and 120 custom programs, over 300-liter large-capacity cleaning chamber to meet the requirements for virus contaminants. 3-level baskets design cleans 250 milliliter volumetric flask or 1000 milliliter blue cap bottles per level. 4 water inlets allow conversion to 2-level baskets mode. 316-liter stainless steel molded treatment, weld-free and screw-free construction to prevent leakage. Full chamber rounded corner design with arc larger than or equals 35 mm arc radius. Residue-free cleaning. 0.4 mm dual aperture filtration mesh, easily removable for maintenance. Basket consists of base baskets and cleaning modules, dedicated cleaning modules for virus glasswares, sampling bottle cleaning module, volumetric flask cleaning module, Erlenmeyer flask cleaning module, vial cleaning module, colorimetric tube cleaning module, pipette cleaning module, culture dish cleaning module, white mouse bottle cleaning module, and etc. Height adjustable spacers prevent metal contact with chamber floor. Detachable and interchangeable spray nozzles accommodate varied flow requirements. Welding-free spray nozzle and bottle holder manufacturing prevents scratches. Motorized door with auto-lock technology prohibits opening during high-temperature cycles. Post-cycle automatic door opening with residual heat drying. 3-level access management with password locking, SD card storage system, detergent tank with automatic pump injection, variable frequency soft start circulation pump, 0 to 800 liter per minute adjustable. Pipeline pressure sensors monitor real-time water pressure and spray arm RPM. While the real-time sensor monitoring, the cleaning parameters displayed on screen. Daily cleaning logs store 30 million records. Data accessible for review or printing via connected printer. Built-in purified water pump automatically pump purified water for final rains. After rains, HEPA filtered hot air injection drying, 220 cubic meter per hour airflow, drying temperature adjustable from ambient to 120 degrees Celsius. Water-saving air cooling technology eliminates tap water requirements.